Hi, Sherry with Uneeda. We're here today to talk about our EKAPRO 3x4 Total Sanding Kit. Let's get into what comes in that kit. First, we got the 3x4 sander. This is a brushless sander, hook and loop backup pad, paddle driven, very ergonomic. With the sander, you get 3x4 sheets. This is our EKASTORM. It's an aluminum oxide with a rolled on sterate. It's a paper product. We also have our 3x4 FILMTEK. This product is a film-backed abrasive. It's actually a little bit flatter than a paper. Great sanding, great edge wear. We've added both so that you can choose which one works for you best. Both of them come in 80, 120, 150, 180. All of those are in the pack. We've also added the 3x4 pad saver. The reason for the pad saver is when we're sanding on wood with a 3x4 sheet, it is not advised to put it onto the sander. We need to add the pad saver between, as it acts as a shock absorber with the pad. The reason being, if you're on a thin piece of wood, the pad will vibrate without the pad saver. It will catch the wood and it'll skip and it'll cause swirl marks. So be sure if you're using the sheet goods that we use the pad saver. We also include our interface pads. We have both hard and soft density. I like the hard density for times when I need to offset the paper on the sander. So I have a hard to reach area that is I'm not quite able to get to with the 3x4 pad, and I need to get into a gap. I can actually offset this pad and use it to get into that gap. This will actually get into the shutters in between the louvers. So it gives me a little bit of density on that pad to be able to make that sand work. We also have a soft density pad. This is great if you're sanding crown molding and you need to take out molder marks or any type of handling marks. This pad will actually fit on the sander and then mold to the sanding. Just be careful that we don't get on any sharp edges because this is a coated abrasive and it will flat spot the area. With that, it comes with the 3x4 EKASILK Plus. We do it in fine, very fine, and super fine are the 3 grits. You get 5 of each one of those. You also get all 3 densities. So you've got a 1/2 inch, which is conformable. Again, this is for profile sanding. This is not for flat sanding. If you flat sand with a 1/2 inch, you will have some issues with your sand. The 10 millimeter is great if you're sanding shaker doors. You can drop in, go corner to corner, keeps that sander up above the wood. We don't damage the wood when we're sanding. And lastly is the 5 millimeter, and that is for flat surfaces. All of this is kept inside of this great little tool bag that we've designed. It all fits in there nice and neat. This is also available in the 5-inch kit. It's got a little bit of different abrasive offering, but all still fits into our EKASAND bag. These kits are great for painting, for taking on site. They're great for the home hobbyist. It gives you an array of abrasives to choose from, and it lets you choose the grit that you need without ordering a lot of abrasives and having it sit on the shelf. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at Uneeda. Thank you and have a great day.